call my name. Through the endless night, a guiding flame. Shadows dance where the moonlight glows, a path unknown, yet my heart just knows. Echoes of time weave through my soul, a story untold, a fate to unfold. Stars align in a cosmic embrace, leading me closer to a sacred place. Mystical journey, the truth lies deep, lost in a dream where the secrets sleep. One step forward, no turning away. The universe sings, and I must obey. Golden rivers flow through my veins, mirrors of worlds whisper my name. Ancient voices hum in the breeze, unlocking the doors with infinite keys. Echoes of time weave through my soul, a story untold, a fate to unfold. Stars align in a cosmic embrace, leading me closer to a sacred place. Mystical journey, the truth lies deep, lost in a dream where the secrets sleep. One step forward, no turning away. The universe sings, and I must obey. Through the mist, I see this sign, a door of light where the spirits shine. Fear dissolves, my heart takes flight, dancing in realms beyond the night. Mystical journey, the stars ignite, whispering fate in the silent night. Bound to the echoes, free in my way. The universe sings, and I must obey. One step closer, the dawn in sight, a soul reborn.